There's no reason using your laptop should be painful, but look at you, sitting hunched at your desk hour after hour. How's your back feel? Your neck probably doesn't feel too great either. Free from the chains of your desk and use your laptop the way it was intended. From your bedroom to the kitchen, from your living room to the park, outside on your lawn, or inside while you relax on your sofa or bed. Wouldn't it be great to keep working on the projects you start outdoors in fresh air? There's no better inspiration than Mother Nature. Working outside clears your mind and makes you more productive. You'll really enjoy working and accomplish more when you can take your work outdoors into beautiful sunshine. Recline while you work at your laptop because Smart E-Table's patented design relieves back and neck stiffness, allowing your arms to rest correctly at just the right angle to use your laptop comfortably and easily. And even if duty calls in the kitchen. See how when you open your Smart E-Table, the part of the table that keeps your computer from slipping? Ever notice that using your laptop on a surface that's not properly ventilated can make the laptop overheat? Maybe right there on your lap? That's not comfortable for you and can cause damage to your laptop. Smart E-Table keeps your laptop at just the right position for ventilation and comes equipped with 2 cooling fans, so you and your laptop can operate together happily for hours. The built-in USB cable makes it so easy to take your computer wherever you need to go. And Smart E-Table's not just for laptops. Look how well it works as a drawing table for your kids. Smart E-Table is rugged, versatile, convenient, and easy to store.